scared me. What the hell are you doing sneaking around like that?
My bad, I didn't think you'd want me to talk to you.
And what gave you an idea like that?
Well, you're always out and about or in your room. I just figured you wanted your own space.
Have you seen the white bread? I thought we kept it in the fridge.
Oh, Mom doesn't buy white bread anymore. She switched to wheat.
What? Why?
Something about carbs. She's been on a whole health kick recently.
Well, where does she keep the wheat bread then? I can't find it.
Try the freezer. So how's college been for you?
Good. How's it been for you?
It's been fun. There's a lot more pressure with being an upperclassman. It's hard to juggle having friends and homework. I mean, don't even get me started on internships and figuring out what to do after we graduate. But things have been going well with Annie. Coming up on 5 months now. I've been learning how to cook for her, which has been insane. I swear, I've almost given her food poisoning about a dozen times now. I think you'd like her. You guys both have similar interests. I mean, you both like smooth jazz. You like staying up late. You guys both like being driven places.
I think a lot of people like those things.
Did I do something?
What? No?
Why are you being so distant? It's like talking to a brick wall.
It's late. We can always catch up tomorrow.
It's always tomorrow with you.
What does that mean?
Don't you think I want to catch up with you? Every time I ask you to call me, you say the phone goes both ways. And then when I do call you, you don't even pick up. And it's not just me. You don't call Mom or Dad. I mean, did you even know they're planning on selling the house? Look, I'm not trying to attack you. I just want a moment of truthfulness from you. Is that so hard to ask for?
Thank you for the honesty, man. You're right. Maybe I don't show you that I care enough. I don't show a lot of people that. I wish that I could give you some profound answer on the way that my mind works, but truth is, I might just be a bit of a dumbass. You know, I think I read somewhere that we're a product of our environments, or that we're an amalgamation of all of our habitual habits. I don't really know what that means, but sounds right. Tell you what, we could sit here all night and I could blab some nonsense to you, but I'm gonna do you one better. You mind putting my plate in the sink? And tell Annie I say hi.